Hello, welcome back to Life My Wife. So I thought I'd just take a few minutes and show you a few of the projects that I've been doing over the time of being in the house. And yeah, this is just how I'm keeping myself busy. So I made this house. So these are all Brody's barking at somebody. Yeah, it's all made out of paper and popsicle sticks, and so that's my house, and the lid comes off. So Kevin and I store our card games and stuff in there. And then I made this treat box, and it opens like this, and there's Easter treats. So I made that. And then I made this gift bag. And I can't open it with one hand, but I filled that with treats. And then last night, I made this card. I figured we all need a day to sit in the park and enjoy the birds and enjoy each other's company. So that's the theme I went with there. So, and it's a 3D card. I've made many more projects, but I've enjoyed giving them away. So I haven't filmed any of them. So, but I gotta go this way. I put Brody out this morning, and everything was fine. And then I just went to put him out now, and we have another snowstorm. Look at that. And we had no snow this morning. This is all within an hour. And it's coming down good. I put Brody out to go to the bathroom, and within 5 minutes, he looked like a snowman. As a matter of fact, his footprints when he went out, like not even an hour ago, are gone. Those footprints that you see there, they're bunny tracks. Anyway, that's what we're up to today. I hope everybody's staying safe, staying home. Just enjoy your family. Enjoy your time with them. And all this shall pass, and we will be able to visit again. So, hope everybody has a great day. Bye-bye.